Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VSDC free video editor for screen record. To activate VSDC free video editor for screen recording cleanup, begin by downloading the software from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open VSDC Free Video Editor. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select New Project to create a new video editing project. In the project settings, choose your desired video resolution and frame rate. Click Finish to enter the main editing interface. To import your screen recording, click on the Import Content button. Navigate to the location of your screen recording file and select it. The video will now appear in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. To begin cleaning up the video, use the playback controls to review the footage. Identify any sections you want to remove, and position the playhead accordingly. Use the Cut tool to trim unwanted segments from the timeline. Adjust the audio levels by selecting the audio track. Click on the Audio tab in the top menu to access audio editing options. You can add background music by importing an audio file using the same import content method. Drag the audio file to the timeline below your video. Ensure the audio syncs properly with the video. To add transitions, select the beginning or end of a clip and click on the Transitions tab. Choose your preferred transition effect and drag it to the timeline. Preview the changes by clicking the play button in the preview window. Once satisfied with the edits, click on the Export Project button. Select your desired output format and configure the export settings. Finally, click Export Project to save the cleaned up video. Your video is now ready for viewing or sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.